Welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore the banana. Mango smoothie can be a delicious and diabetic-friendly treat when made with the right ingredients to help manage blood sugar levels. Wait, before starting video, I introduce you with MetaFast, which will help you to manage blood sugar level naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 cup cubed peeled ripe mango, 3/4 cup sliced ripe banana, about 1 medium, 2/3 cup fat-free milk, 1 tablespoon non-fat dry milk, optional, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. First of all, begin by collecting your ingredients and a blender. Place the ripe banana, frozen mango chunks, unsweetened almond milk, and Greek yogurt in the blender. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can include 1 or 2 ice cubes in the mix. Blend the ingredients until you achieve a smooth texture. You might need to pause and scrape down the sides of the blender. Once you've reached your preferred consistency and sweetness, pour the smoothie into a glass and serve immediately. Optionally, you can garnish the smoothie with a slice of banana or a few mango chunks. Enjoy your delicious and diabetic-friendly banana mango smoothie. Are you ready to manage low blood sugar level at home naturally? Click link in the video description below. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.